Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Are you properly talking now? Why you always stop when I pull out the camera, huh? You know that is something that's curious to stare at. Yeah, there you go. Huh? There you go. What's up? You're holding your head like a pro. You're holding your head up like a pro. Hi. Hi. You're so adorable. No, look at mommy. Don't look at the camera. Look at mommy. Hey, over here. Over here. Over here. Baby. What do you see? That's so interesting. Huh? What do you see? That's so interesting. Hi. Hi, baby. You're a cute girl. I love you. I love you. Hi, baby girl. Just looking around? Yeah, just looking around. Checking out the place. Hi, cutie. What's your name? Who am I? Say mama. Mama. Are you ready to move on to words? Say mama. Mama. You are so adorable. Can you talk some more? Can you talk some more? You're getting real talkative nowadays. You might be just as talkative as your grandfather. Huh?